Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts, and today we have the Cigar cigar case kit. This is a free product, and this is a paid review. Let's get straight to it, shall we? Let's open it up and see what we got. Love cigar stuff. As you guys, if you've been watching any of my videos, you know that I love cigar stuff. So let's open it up, see what we got. Nice, good, safe packaging for it. Oh, this looks very, very nice. This is a cigar case kit. Look at this. That is really nice. Very nice looking. If I were to get this as a gift, I would be very happy, very pleased. So what we got here is we've got a guillotine cutter. We've got a V cutter. We have a hydrometer for the case itself. And we have a little punch on a keyring. So let's open this up and see what we have inside. So I'm guessing the bottom must be the actual, oh, look inside the bottom. Oh, how classy is that? So it's got a case, or a packet here. That's a humidity control packet. You just open that up and it keeps the humidity in there at 69%. Very nice. It's a two-way humidity control. It keeps it humidified, or it keeps it drier than you needed. So it's got room for at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 large cigars, or any number smaller, and you could probably stack them if you wanted to. How nice is that case, though? Look at that. Nice case. And then you close that up. And how do we get to the inside here? Well, and then in here, you have the guillotine cutter, which cuts a flat end off of your cigar. Very nice. Very nice. This is really nice, folks. And then you have your V cutter, which cuts a V cut on the end of your cigar. This is the hydrometer. It tells you exactly the percentage of humidity inside the case, which right at this time it is 70%. Not bad. And then this is your little, this goes on your keychain, and it is a little, if I remember right, yeah, it's a little punch. And you punch your cigar and actually keep the insides in there. And then when you push this back out, the punch part comes out the bottom here. Really nice, guys. This is really an all-in-one case. If you're looking to get something for the cigar aficionado in your life, this is really it. Go out and get this today.